In this video tutorial I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. The default mode for Instagram is light mode with this white background. If you want to get the dark theme for Instagram, first open the Instagram app. There is no option in the Instagram settings to enable the dark mode. We have to do is to enable the dark theme on our whole device. So if you are using an Android device, find the dark mode button in the settings on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the control center. Then long press on the brightness slider. Tap on the dark mode button. This is how you can enable the dark mode on Instagram.